Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and
Today I'm making spiral wrap bead earrings using French wire. I am using some nylon jaw pliers, the Beadalon nylon inner jaw flat nose pliers, and the Burr Cup wire rounder. I'm using 22 gauge artistic wire, some semi-flush cutters, the Beadalon slimline chain nose pliers, and the round nose pliers, and also the Beadalon bail making pliers. I'm starting with 10 inches of the 22 gauge artistic wire, and I'm using the round pliers to bend it at about the 2-inch mark to make a small loop. You can pull the wire to make it a little smaller, and we're going to wind it around to make a spiral. So just push the wire around closely together to make a tight spiral. Then I'm going to use the nylon jaw pliers or the flat nose pliers with the inner nylon jaw, and we are going to just pinch in those wires a little bit so it's going to be a nice tight spiral, and then hold the spiral with the inner nylon jaw and turn the wire around. So this works to get it started, just to bring it around a little bit, and then as the spiral gets a little bit larger, I'm going to switch to the regular nylon jaw pliers and give it a good little grip with those pliers and keep bringing the wire around. Now you can make this spiral as large as you want. You can go around as many times as you like. With the 22 gauge wire, it's a little finer than if you're doing 20 gauge wire, but it makes a lovely little spiral at the bottom. So now we're just going to adjust it so the wire is going straight up. And then from there, we're going to take the end and just bring it around to the front. We'll put on a bead. You can use about a 12 millimeter bead, whatever size you want. Bend the top wire to the left. And now we're going to take a piece of the French wire. I've just cut the other wire flush, and we have about 3 3/4 inches of this French wire. I'll link up all the materials in the description below the video. It's like a very fine spring. So we're just going to put that right down on the wire, right so it's against the bead, and we're going to hold it firmly and wind that wire around towards the top. So we're just going carefully around the bead a few times, and we want to finish it at the top. And then once we're at the end of the French wire, we're just going to bend the wire firmly around that vertical wire, and then we're going to clip the end. You can use the semi-flush cutters or some flush cutters to do that. Just take off that end of the wire and then push the little pokey end down with the nylon jaw pliers to secure it in place, and then just bend that top wire out and then around with the bail making pliers. So just bring that wire all the way around to make a closed loop, and then we'll take the end and just wind it around to secure it in place. Clip the end with the cutters, and then just pinch it in a bit with the nylon jaw or flat nose pliers, and adjust the spiral as you like. From there, we're going to make some hooks. So use some hypoallergenic wire. We're going to make little loops on the ends of the wire with the bail making pliers. You can use about 2 inches of wire. Depends on how big you want the hooks. Bring them both around with the bail making pliers to make sure they're the same size, and then bend the end out a little bit. Now we're going to clip the ends flush and use the wire rounder just to soften the end. From there, we'll take our earring. We're going to open up the hook, and then we'll slide on that earring, close up the hook, and there you have your beautiful spiral earrings with the French wire. I'll link up some other tutorials for making jewelry with the French wire in the description below the video. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.